Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the W95 Smart TV box. As you can see, we have a great package here in this smart box, and we are going to unbox it, see what we got more from this. As you can see in the package, we have some instructions and also some information about this smart box. So today we're going to test it, we are going to see the software, how to connect it, and all these stuff. As you can see in the back, we have some information about this smart box. We have the CPU, display, memory, storage, network, interface, and other stuffs as well. Let's go ahead, see what we got in the box. As you can see, immediately when we open the box, we have the smart box here wrapped up for protection, and we have this beautiful graphite in the front of the W95. In the back we have the HDMI Internet power cable. In the side we have two USB and one SD card port. In the back we have just the code, nothing else, nothing important. So you can see it's very small and easy to use with it. We're going to see what we have next in the box. Let's put the box here down. Underneath all this, first we have the user manual. As you can see, everything here, we have the setup instructions, every cable with where we go. We have the accessories and all the details as well. Also QR code for video tutorial. So under this box we have here the power cable. This powers on the smart box. We have the HDMI cable, all wrapped up for protection. As you can see, the top of the HDMI is covered, and also we have the controller. You can see all wrapped up and not too many buttons, so it's not confusing to use it. You can see here better. Everything is easy to use and easy to power it on. So let's go ahead and see what we got here in this smart box. Power it on, hook it with the TV and see how it works. In that way we will know if this smart box is worth to buy or not. And let's go now see what we got from this smart box. As you can see, we already connected. It's easy, just follow steps from the user manual, just the HDMI and the cable, and you will be ready to use it. As you can see, we have the show here, or the slideshow from the smart box. We are waiting to power this on. Anytime now it should be on. And as you can see, we have some power now, or some image. We have the language, scale, network, interface, and the fifth step is success. So in the fifth step you will be running this smart box. As you can see, we have to set up all these things, and the box now it's set up. As you can see right here, we have the settings, network, sound, apps, and all these kind of stuff. Let's go here, see what we got. As you can see, we have the menu as well, all the apps that are already installed we can see right here in the menu. So all the apps that are here in our smart box are available for you as well. If you want to get some of them, just go in the Play Store, you will find them. So here we are with display. We can zoom in and zoom out. We have here more settings. So all these settings are just like Android device. You can see we have the taskbar and the buttons in the bottom of the screen as well. Here in the settings again we have more settings that we can check that out. We have language, we have date and time, location, security, all this stuff. Here we can see about, we can read about this device. We have the version, the model, legal information and other stuff, build number and all these kind of stuff that are included for the smart box. We can read right here. We have advanced settings now, and as you can see we are at the settings. We have changed wallpaper, Wi-Fi, data usage. We have display notifications. Here in more we have airplane mode, Bluetooth and other stuff. We have display notifications, as I said before, sound, apps, storage, memory and other stuff. Here in storage, as you can see, we have the storage that we used and the storage that is left to use, and in memory as well we have here the memory, total memory, average and other stuff. We have location, accounts, Google, language and input, backup and reset, date and time. So I don't think we have anything else to see here in this smart box. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you need something with smart boxes. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see in the next video with brand new smart box.